Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are comparing two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 V2OC Edition and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G. Both cards are designed for mid-range gaming, but they come with different strengths and weaknesses. We'll dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and unique features so you can make an informed decision for your next gaming rig. Let's get started! When it comes to VRAM, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT takes the lead with a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it a great choice for future-proofing against demanding games and high-resolution textures. In contrast, the ASUS Dual RTX 3060 offers 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is still adequate for most gaming scenarios, but may fall short in the most demanding titles as gaming technology advances. This difference in VRAM could impact performance in texture-heavy games, especially at higher resolutions. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during extended gaming sessions. The ASUS Dual RTX 3060 features a dual axial tech fan design that effectively manages temperatures while keeping noise levels low, thanks to its 0 decibels technology. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RX 7600 XT boasts a robust triple-fan wind-force cooling system, which ensures excellent thermal dissipation and allows for higher sustained clock speeds. This means that while both cards perform well, the RX 7600 XT may have an edge in maintaining lower temperatures under load. In terms of performance features, the ASUS RTX 3060 benefits from NVIDIA's advanced technologies, including DLSS and dedicated ray tracing cores, which enhance gaming visuals and performance. This makes it particularly strong in titles that support these features. Conversely, the GIGABYTE RX 7600 XT utilizes AMD's RDNA3 architecture and supports FSR, which is improving but still lags behind NVIDIA's offerings in terms of image quality and ray tracing performance. Thus, if ray tracing and DLSS are important to you, the RTX 3060 may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual RTX 3060 V2OC Edition and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 excels in ray tracing and DLSS performance, making it a solid choice for gamers who prioritize visual fidelity. Meanwhile, the RX 7600 XT offers more VRAM and robust cooling, making it a great option for future-proofing and high-performance gaming. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific gaming needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like